question of cheating, I have a question here for you. Suppose you were in a class with Professor X giving an exam in an econ class like this one. Now, in designing the exam, the instructor wants to achieve two things. She wants the students to learn, and she also wants students to be honest, not to cheat. Now, she values both of these things equally. Which of these options do you think will be the most effective for her to achieve their goals? Should it be to offer many office hours before the exam? Should it be to assign students to a specific seating during the exam? Should it be to print different versions of the exam? Or should it be to give students 2 tries at the exam? At the end of the lesson, we're going to use the concepts that we learned here in this lesson to see if we can answer this question with some degree of certainty. So this is what we're going to do in this lesson. First, we're going to talk a little bit about the economic problem. Then we're going to introduce all the principles that we're going to use for the rest of the semester. The first one is the opportunity cost principle. Then we'll talk about the low-hanging fruit principle. Then we summarize these two with the third principle, which we call the net marginal benefit principle. Then we talk about trade. Finally, we combine all the principles into the major economic principle, which is the invisible hand principle. And then we're going to use all of these principles to